Drinking turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, before sleep can indeed offer a range of health benefits. Here are some reasons why this beverage can be beneficial. 1. Loaded with antioxidants. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Improves memory and brain function. 4. Protects from flu. 5. Good for the stomach. 6. Recommended for diabetics. 7. Promotes good sleep. Here's a simple recipe to make turmeric milk. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoons turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoons black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon jaggery powder, and 1 inch cinnamon. Method: add milk to a pot along with cinnamon stick and jaggery powder. Bring to a boil and mix well. Now add turmeric powder and black pepper powder. Give a mix and simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Strain the milk into a cup and serve hot. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or health routine. Enjoy your golden milk.